But this sauce with this recipe, chef's kisses. I cried like a baby.
Positions in 1 and 2.
And I'm gonna have to put a winter coat on, a couple of like graphic tees. We're going into the city and we're going to the comedy festival. Good morning guys, and welcome back to another weekly vlog. So if you saw last week's weekly vlog, it was a little bit different and I didn't manage to share a lot of my recipes or workouts that week. So this week I promise that I'm going to be back to normal viewing all my food, all my workouts, and just trying to keep it fitness and health and all that kind of good stuff. So at the moment I'm making my meal prep. I feel like this is how I start every Monday's vlog, and I'm kind of here for it because I just like to share as many recipes as I can with you guys, and meal prepping is something I do every single week to make sure that I stay on track, choose healthy options, and I also like to make sure every meal is like well kind of portioned with my macronutrients and stuff. So yeah, I like sharing them with you guys. Today I'm making a pasta bake, which I'm so excited for. It's been really like rainy and gloomy in Melbourne, so it just sounds really perfect for the soul. So I've just got your usual pasta. Feel free to do like red lentil, pulse pasta, anything you like, but I'm just obsessed with large spirals in pasta bake. Like, you cannot go wrong with the large ones. So good. And then I saw these in Aldi, so I'm gonna give them a go. But they're chicken meatballs. Obviously you could just make these yourself if you really wanted to, but I wanted to try them and see what they're like. And I'm basically gonna cook these up, dice them, and then pop them in the pasta bake. So I'm really excited for that, and that'll give it some protein, and then I'm gonna add in some vegetables. So I've got a red capsicum, some zucchini, and also a bag of spinach that I'm going to kind of chuck in there for some hidden vegetables. And the sauce that I love to use with this particular bake is the garden vegetable. Again, you could just do plain passata sauce to make it like a little bit healthier, I guess, but this sauce with this recipe, chef's kisses. So I'm just in my office and I finally finished work for the day. It is 5:50 p.m. I literally just had a day full of calls. I had, I think, 10 calls all up, which is quite busy for a Monday, but it was really nice to just like get to talk to all my clients and hear how their week has gone and their weekends and things like that. So it always leaves me on such a high. I feel like Mondays are my favorite days because of my client check-in calls. It just makes me so happy hearing how they're all going. But yeah, I'm literally about to clock off, shut my laptop down, and then we're gonna go to the gym. Is anybody else in Melbourne absolutely dying of the cold lately? Like, I'm rugged up in leggings, a big jumper, and I'm gonna have to put a winter coat on in autumn. It's like 15 degrees outside. Struggles. But I'm just going for my little morning walk. I make sure to try and go for a walk every single day because otherwise I'm just like sitting at my desk all day and I do not get enough steps. So I'm putting on my runners, got my big coat on, and it's time to brave this cold weather. literally 2 weeks after Easter and I'm still eating Easter chocolate. But as you can see from the mess behind me, I need to do my washing and put my clothes away now. And I feel like that is something I do every single vlog because I am a messy human, okay? I feel like I'm like really clean and OCD with most things in my house, but when it comes to putting my clothes away, like these are clean clothes in a pile that all I have to do is open my drawer and put away. But I can never be bothered to, so I just let it sit on the ground until it gets in my way, and then I decide I should probably put them away now because they're probably getting dirty on the ground. So that is what I'm gonna do. I have my laptop here. I'm gonna watch a YouTube video because I feel like that just makes it a little bit more enjoyable. I'm gonna eat my Easter chocolate and I'm gonna put my clothes away. What's up guys, it is now Thursday and I actually have the day at home. Like Thursdays are like my admin days at home, and I decided I wanted to do a little bit of a shopping spree because I'm going to New Zealand in a week. This time next week I'll be pretty much packing up and leaving. I don't know if I've said it in a vlog yet, but if you follow me on Instagram I've definitely talked about it there. But yeah, we got the news a couple weeks ago that the travel bubble is now open for Australians to go to New Zealand without having to quarantine, and it was literally music to my ears. I cried like a baby, and I just am so excited to be able to see, you know, my dad, my sister, my stepmom and my grandparents again, because I haven't seen them since November 2019, and yeah, I just cannot wait to see them again. But I needed to do a little bit of shopping because I needed a lot more warmer clothes. New Zealand is very cold. Thankfully I'm not going like in winter yet, but it will still be cold. So I thought I would show you just a quick little haul. So let's go with this first because this was probably my favorite purchase. It's just a blue and white, what are these called when it has like the zip up hood? I'm just gonna just call it a sweater. But it's really soft material, like it's super like thick and woolly. It's honestly just from Supre, which I thought was very random. I never usually shop at Supre, but I saw it when I was walking by and I knew I had to have it because I went in there knowing I wanted something that was baby blue. Don't even ask why. I just really wanted something that was blue. So I'm excited to wear that. I also just got this pink t-shirt. I just needed a casual t-shirt and I'm going to crop it so it's not like super short, but just so it's not as long. I got this black cardigan from Kmart. I don't know if you can see that. It's got these little button ups here, but it looks better with the buttons undone and then just like a singlet or something underneath. I just really needed some sort of like cardigan kind of thing. I also just got a plain white cropped jumper. I just thought you could wear this obviously with activewear, but also you could pair it with jeans and like a denim jacket and it would still look cute. So I just got literally plain white jumper from Supre, and it's so soft and really nice material. And then I just got two knitted jumpers, a plain black one. This one's just from Kmart and it was 15 bucks, bargain. And I also got a pink one as well. These are a size 6 to 8, but again, they're like kind of oversized. So I got the smallest size just so it was like a little bit more flattering. I got a little white beanie, and the last thing I got were some new runners. So yeah, that is what I picked up. I'm also going to start packing later this afternoon, so I'll show you guys some of the stuff I'm packing if you're at all interested. It'll just be like my toiletries and stuff that I've already started, but yeah, so excited. as you can see, I didn't manage to actually pack anything this afternoon. I basically just sat on the couch, did some work, watched some Blacklist and chilled because it was pouring rain all afternoon, and then we just did a little workout. My camera actually died halfway through, which sucks, but yeah, we did like a 50-minute workout, and now I'm just about to make us some dinner. So I thought I would show you what I'm gonna make. I need a knife. I'm going to make teriyaki chicken nourish bowls. I have never had these before, but I just had a random craving for like a nourish bowl. So I've bought some broccoli and I'm gonna roast that up with some sweet potato in the air fryer. And then I'm just gonna marinate the chicken in like a teriyaki kind of sauce. And then put it all with some like lettuce, rice and things like that. But I'm very excited. I'm curious to see what it's gonna taste like, but let's get chopping. You're gonna tell me your honest review of the chicken.
Of the chicken?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
And you said you wouldn't like it. Mm-hmm.
Babysitting peanut as well.
Why wouldn't you just close the...
What is in there? I'm getting it now.
Recreate their favorite routines. I want to really...
So I'm just gonna pack all of the stuff I've already shown you guys, like everything that I bought yesterday and the right-of-way stuff that came today, because there's not much point putting it away in my drawers when I'm literally gonna take all of that stuff. So I've got all of those knitted kind of jumpers and cardigans here, because as I said, it's gonna be freezing. I've just got some athletic tops. I'm not gonna pack my leggings or sports bras yet because I will need them for the next couple of days. I've got a pair of blue jeans, a pair of black jeans, a couple of like graphic tees, one of which I bought yesterday, and a couple of hoodies as well. So we're just in the car now. We've literally both blended in to the car seats. We're both in black, but we're on our way to meet our friends and we're going to go out for lunch, and we're also going to play a game of mini golf, which I'm so excited for because I literally haven't played mini golf in so long. And then after that we're going into the city and we're going to the comedy festival because it ends tomorrow. So we just bought like last minute tickets to see, who are we seeing? Daniel someone?
Yeah.
What's his name?
Connell?
Daniel Connell?
I could be wrong.
We don't even know, but he looked funny from what we've seen on YouTube. So yeah, we're going to the city and we haven't been in, I literally think 2 years since the last time we went into the city. But yeah, I've got my camera. I don't know how much I'm gonna actually vlog because it's literally flashing that it's gonna die, so I might have to film some clips on my phone. But yeah, fun day planned. Yum. Ooh, smile guys. Oh. Oh. So close. All right, James, who won?
Okay, we're gonna go through the scores for today. Now, in fourth place with a very competitive score, I got a 79, followed by Laura in third place with a 65.
Good.
Then we have Britt and Andy, positions in 1 and 2, with Andy on 56. Andy won!
And my phone just like dropped.
Oh. go. Close.
So close.
Not as bad
I
as
thought
I
when
got
you said
anyway.
Andy's on 60, I thought that meant I won.
Did I? 56?
Because you said with Andy and Britt, Andy on 60.
Oh.
And I was like, that means I won.
I forgot
No.
you're vlogging. That's why I was like, what are you doing?
Yeah, I'm trying to vlog.
Oh, okay.
Now arriving at Trinity Street.